Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ring Intercom versus Nuki Opener, two popular devices designed to upgrade your existing apartment intercom system. We'll explore how each can transform your building's entrance into a smart, accessible point, allowing you to manage visitors and deliveries with ease. Our goal is to provide a clear overview, highlighting their differences in functionality, setup, and smart home integration, so you can make an informed decision. When it comes to daily use, Ring Intercom excels with its two-way talk feature, letting you speak to visitors from anywhere using your phone. Nuki Opener, on the other hand, offers the convenience of ring to open, automatically buzzing you in when you arrive. Both provide remote unlocking, but Ring integrates specific delivery features, while Nuki focuses on flexible access permissions and detailed activity tracking for multiple users. Installation for both the Ring Intercom and Nuki Opener is designed for the average user, typically involving wiring into your current intercom. Ring uses a rechargeable battery that you'll need to charge periodically, while Nuki runs on 4 AAA batteries, offering a longer, approximately 1-year lifespan, or can be micro USB powered. It's crucial to use their online compatibility checkers before purchasing to confirm your intercom system is supported. Regarding smart home ecosystems, Ring Intercom is a natural fit for Amazon Alexa users. Nuki Opener, however, boasts wider compatibility, integrating with Apple Home, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings, and supports the Matter standard. Price-wise, Ring Intercom is typically around £120. The Nuki Opener costs about €130, but often requires a separate Nuki bridge for remote access, adding roughly €100. Your choice depends on your existing smart home setup and preferred features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.